Okay. Hello guys. Today
Yeah, go ahead, explain it.
See this car right here?
It doesn't work.
It's kind of scratched up and broken, kind of. And it used to be one of those cars where you push the pedal. It's really dirty. If you push the pedal right there, it moves, but since as you can see, it's really dirty and all the things are taken out. So we put a seat on it and we were just pushing each other around.
So they're gonna push
example, Eric, you push Johnny. And let me back up.
Yeah, guys, so they're gonna push me now. Whoa.
See, he's getting in.
Alright, I'm gonna go over there. Can you try to film me?
It kind of rained, so it's
alright,
kinda
ready?
wet.
Go, push.
Go! Oh, jeez. Haha. Oh my. It's kind of hard to see from all the way over there. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Ah, they left me. They abandoned me. I'm just gonna go now. Just kidding. Meanwhile, what can I do while they get back? I don't know. Maybe I can record my cat. What are you doing? Ah, ouch! Ow! Ouch! What are you doing? Okay. Oh, they're back! So you guys didn't abandon me! Yay! Oh, geez. Can I get pushed in the car now?
Yeah, Elvin's gonna get pushed.
Okay, Johnny, you push me. No, Eric, you push me.
I'm blind.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Hiya! Okay, I'm in the car. I got the steering wheel. This steering wheel actually works.
This car looks
So when you steer
Is
it...
this your Lamborghini, bro?
No. This is my Corvette today. Look, see, it actually turns the wheels. Because that's what it's supposed to do. And yeah, I got my sweet Lamborghini here. Some scratched up mirrors. Sweet. No doors.
Because my mom just called me.
A pilot guy. I don't know if it's recording you. And
Probably is.
what is it? This it doesn't work. Yeah, and there's these buttons that don't work either. Okay. So what'd you say, Johnny? Okay, we're gonna drive. Here, let me. It's gonna be kind of hard because I have to. Here, Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh my. This is harder than it looks, especially while holding a camera. Oh yeah, look how fast we're going. Let's do drift. Oh my. That's pretty good. I can't record him. Ah, it's kind of shaky. What? Okay, stop.
Alright, we're gonna be playing with this car.
So you don't have to go?
No. Stand up so I can show them.
Oh, okay. Did you restart the video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. So there's an old car that you need to push that pedal.
Okay, let me finish my push. I'm gonna put the camera on the front of the car. Oh, it's really shaky. Okay, no, that's a bad idea. Hiya, bro! Oh my gosh.
Alright, Eric, can you push
That was awesome. Oh,
You sure? You have the energy? You sure?
here, want me to push you? Want me to push you?
Yeah, push me.
Want me to push you?
I'm not going to push you either.
We're fine.
Because then there's more people that track you down. Peace out.
Peace out, bro. Oh, they drift. Drift. Yay. Okay, we're gonna push Eric now because he's been pushing us. Eric, get on the car.
Come on, Eric.
Here, I'll push him. I'll push him. Eric, can you record for me? Okay, don't click any buttons. Okay, just don't drop the camera and